around 8 a.m. and look, it's so foggy here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. It's coming up green. Very happy. It's been like almost 45 days or 50 days that we are spending a lot of time in the farm. The goal was to plant as much tree as possible. We have planted roughly, I think, less than 2,000 trees, 1,500 or 2,000 trees, and we don't know, maybe up to 60 to 70% of these saplings would come good. We got some vegetables, we got some greens here, we got some fruits. Mostly what we planted are fruit trees and some vegetables. This is the area where we have done some vegetables. We got some tomatoes, some beans, some cauliflower, then those are the green leaves there, and leaves are like almost ready. We had guava here before we took the property, so we are getting some guavas here, and this is the tamarind tree where we got some good tamarind harvest. So we already have started getting some harvest. It's now time for some green leaves today. This is like 100% our work. We put the seeds and the leaves are now ready. So we are taking some for our friends. We are not commercially started selling any of our products here. We may do it after a few months. We are just trying to set up things. So let's take some greens. We have some amaranthus. This is the red kira, amaranthus. These are green amaranthus. So this is 100% organic, I'm sure. No pesticides, no chemicals used. This is what I am trying to do. And here we have some palak also. It's not ready yet. These weeds needs to be cleared. These are the palak. And this is beans, right? Yeah, this is the harvest for today. So good, right? It feels really good when you get these results. Hi, crow, crow, crow. Hi, hi. Hi. So this is the red amaranthus and this is the green amaranthus. I'll make some curry with this and I'll share with some of my friends.
ಹಸಿರು ಕಾಳು ತಗ್ನಿಕಾಯಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಹಸಿಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಾಳು
ಕಾಳು
ಹಸಿರು ಕಾಳು ಅಲಸಂದೆ ಕಾಳು
So Mahindran is cutting the jackfruit now, and this is Gopal.
ಅವರು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು
experienced it. Wow, beautiful. That's the trick.
ಅಲ್ವಾ
Oh, that's very easy. No?
ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಳಿ ತೆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ
Super. अच्छा है.
ತಗೊಳ ಎಡಿ ಬರ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಳ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ತೆಗಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಹೌದು.
This is very sweet. I think it got ripened on the tree, and today morning they had plucked it. The art of cleaning the jackfruit and removing these pieces, it's something which we learned from Mahindran. He did it with good skill, very easily. He didn't damage a single arrow. It's really very sweet.
ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರುಚಿಯಾದ
Sort of
ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಉಳ್ಳ
honey in this.
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಈ ಥರನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ಮರ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ಇದು ಮರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to spend the night here at the farm. We are fixing motor for the borewell. It's my first experience. I'm just going to shoot that and show it to you guys also. It's a 500 feet deep borewell, but we have water after 80 feet I think. So we need more water for this property. We have one borewell which is running, motor is fixed. We have another 2 borewells which are not used. We're going to start using that for this summer.
ಚೋರ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Tight करो.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮೊದ್ಲಾಕಿರೋ
ಅಣ್ಣ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಡಿಕೆ ಗಿಡ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಒಂಚೂರು ಎತ್ತಿನ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇರಿ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಮಡಿಗಣ್ಣ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರತ್ತಿ ಹಲ ಬಿಡ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿಡಬಾರದು. ಕೈ ತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಇರಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಚೀಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಅದೇ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಣ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮುಂದೆ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಜೋಪಾನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಪಕಡ್ರಿ ಹೋಣ ಹೋಣ ಹಾಂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಅಣ್ಣ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
घर तक छोड़ना मालूम नहीं क्या बने ना ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನ ಕಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅರಸೆ ನೋನ್ ಕೆಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಅಂಜನದ
So water has come. Good morning, guys. This is my first sunrise in this village. It's around like 10 minutes to 6. Let's see how things look in the morning. Now been early morning, so early morning here. Slept at the farm last night, had a good time with these guys here. I just wanted to experience the morning, how it looks here. It's like sunrise time. It was really cold. I actually had to switch off the fan after 12. Kept the windows open and slept nicely. I forgot to bring my toothbrush. This is Ragi.